Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into how the internet actually works behind the scenes. Even though we all use it every day, the infrastructure and technology that powers the internet can seem like magic. But I'm here to demystify it and explain the complex system that allows us to connect with people and access information from anywhere in the world. Let's start with the very basics. At its core, the internet is a worldwide network of computers and servers all connected to each other. But how do all these devices communicate? That's where protocols like TCP/IP come in. TCP/IP establishes a common language that allows computers and servers to understand each other by breaking messages into packets of data that get routed independently and then reassembled at their destination. This packet switching is what allows the internet to function on a global scale. No single communication contains all the data, so if one packet gets delayed or lost, it doesn't disrupt the entire message. The individual packets can take different routes to their destination and be reassembled in the right order by TCP/IP. Now, for all these devices to connect, we need physical infrastructure. This is where things like fiber optic cables, wireless networks, and undersea cables come in. Massive subsea cables span entire oceans to connect continents. Over 300 such cables currently exist, with new ones continually being laid to expand capacity and connectivity. These physical connections lead to centralized networks run by internet service providers like Comcast, Verizon, and AT&T. Your ISP provides your connection to the internet through technologies like DSL, cable internet, or fiber. They maintain extensive networks of routers, switches, and servers that route traffic locally and connect to other ISPs nationally and globally through network access points. Speaking of routers, let's talk about how your request for a specific website or content is actually fulfilled. Using the IP address system and protocols like DNS, routers are able to direct packets to their final destination on the other side of the world in a matter of milliseconds. A request first goes to your local router, then larger routers direct it through various pathways until it reaches the destination server hosting the content you want. The server then sends the packets back through all the routers until it reaches you. And that's the basics of how information is able to travel virtually instantly around the globe through the surprisingly complex infrastructure that is the internet. It's an endlessly fascinating system that connects billions of people and powers the digital age we live in. I hope this helped explain at a high level how it all works behind the scenes. Let me know if any part needs more clarification.